Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Light green color, purple color, orange color, brown color, red color, light pink color, black color, yellow color, blue color, green color, and sky blue color. So kids, now you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. Kids, now you draw C. C for cat. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E. E for elephant. F for fish. Kids, now you draw G. G for god. H for helicopter. Kids, now you draw I. I for ice cream. J for joker. Kids, now you draw K. K for king. L for lion. Kids, now you draw M. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O. O for orange. P for parrot. Kids, now you draw Q. Q for queen. R for rose. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.